Ready to revolutionize your skincare line? Let's dive into the ocean for the answer. Sea salt's been the go-to for years, right? But what if we told you there's something better? Meet AQUASEA Liquid Sea Minerals, your new best friend in the beauty biz. Sea salt can be too harsh and drying. Plus, its minerals are often locked in a crystalline structure, making them less effective, and adds cost to the manufacturing process. And let's not forget potential impurities from harvesting. Sea salt might not be giving your customers the glow they crave. Now here's where AQUASEA turns the tide. Sourced straight from the ocean and free from salt's harshness, AQUASEA is ultra-pure and bioavailable. Its ionized minerals absorb easily into the skin, offering deep hydration and nourishment. No harsh crystals or drying effects here, just smooth, radiant skin. Envision this: magnesium, potassium, and trace minerals working together to enhance moisture retention and support the skin barrier. AQUASEA is 100% natural and clean beauty approved, with no additives and a sustainable sourcing promise. For your customers, this means softer, more hydrated skin and better nutrient absorption for long-term health. Imagine delivering a clean beauty experience that aligns with natural skincare values. When you choose AQUASEA as an ingredient, you're giving your customers ocean-powered skincare without compromise. So why stick with ordinary sea salt? Upgrade your formulations with AQUASEA Liquid Sea Minerals. Give your customers the skincare they deserve and save in manufacturing labor, logistics, waste, handling, and cleanup. Pump AQUASEA directly from our tote into your mixer. Contact us today and dive into the future of skincare innovation. Email sales@seaminerals.net for more information. Brought to you by AquaVIVE Electrolytes.